Education is an essential aspect of our lives, and it's important to know which countries provide the best educational opportunities. So, let's dive into our list and find out which countries made it to the top 5. Coming in at number 5, we have the Netherlands. This country has a long history of providing quality education and is known for its innovative teaching methods. The Dutch education system emphasizes creativity and critical thinking skills, which have been proven to have a positive impact on students' futures. Moving on to number 4, we have South Korea. This country is famous for its strict education system, which has been instrumental in its economic growth. South Korean students consistently score high on international tests and are known for their discipline and hard-working nature. At number 3, we have Japan. Japanese students have a reputation for being some of the smartest in the world, and the country's education system is a big reason why. The focus on traditional values such as respect and discipline, combined with a rigorous curriculum, has made Japan's education system one of the best in the world. Coming in at number 2, we have Switzerland. Switzerland is known for its world-class education system and its focus on practical, hands-on learning. Swiss students have access to state-of-the-art facilities and technology, and the country has a strong emphasis on vocational training, which prepares students for successful careers. Finally, at number 1, we have Finland. This country has been consistently ranked as having one of the best education systems in the world. Finnish schools place a strong emphasis on equality, and students are given individualized attention to help them reach their full potential. The Finnish education system also prioritizes the well-being of students, which has a positive impact on their overall learning experience. Well, there you have it, the top 5 countries with the best education in the world. I hope this information has been helpful, and if you have the opportunity to study in one of these countries, take it.